So we all know how important it is to have an eye-catching thumbnail to get people's attention on YouTube, to get them to watch your video. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a Canva tutorial on how you can create an eye-popping thumbnail and make any subject stand out. So I'm over in Canva now, and for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Canva Pro. And there is a link below where you can get a free trial for this if you want to test it out, but you do get access to a bunch of premium features and special tools, and it's a pretty low monthly cost, pretty decent for anyone creating content online. That's what I use it for, and I'd highly recommend it. So I'm just going to give you a bit of a comparison of what I've created here. So you can see here, this is the final piece or the final product. And if you compare it to the first original picture, what we're able to do is to make a person or a subject or an object stand out. So if we're creating a YouTube thumbnail, we want it to stand out. We want to have something that's prominent in it to grab someone's attention. So I'm going to walk you through how to create this with your images, this effect. So what we're going to do is I'm going to delete these. I'm going to go from scratch. And first of all, we're just going to search YouTube thumbnail, and we'll grab the YouTube thumbnail template. So it's all done for you. And obviously we can choose from all these different designs, and a lot of them you do get with Canva Pro, which is pretty cool. We're just going to click select a blank YouTube template for this example. We're going to head over to our uploads tab, and we're going to upload an image to start with. So move this out of the way. Let's select our image. So here's our image, and we're going to resize this and just pull it to the size of the template. And this is just a screenshot that I grabbed from my video. You may already have an image that you want to use, but I'm just going to walk you through how I do this. So first of all, what's really important here is we want to try and create an aspect of depth or contrast. That is what is going to enable us to make us or the subject stand out. First step is we're going to go to edit image, and we're going to click on the blur tool. We are going to click auto, and we're going to reduce the intensity down to, well, you have a play around with the slide here. It's quite crazy how you can go with things, but I prefer maybe around between 5 and 10 is good for me. We'll go with 5 in this example, and click apply. And then what we're going to do, we're going to click this lock button here. So we're going to lock the background. Then we're going to create a new page. So it'll make sense in a second. And I should have duplicated the first template first, but never mind. Pull another image in, or you can literally just duplicate the first page before you add the blur effect. Sorry, that was my mistake. Now what we want to do is highlight the image, go to edit image once again, and click background remover. Now this is one of the tools you get with Canva Pro. So this is one of the reasons why I recommend you get it, because this is such a powerful tool. Click it, and it's going to do its thing. And you're going to click apply in this bottom left hand corner. Sorry, I have to keep moving this around. Apply, and obviously you'll see that it's removed the background and left me there, which is perfect. Now what we want to do is we're going to share, and we'll click download, and you want PNG, and then highlight this box here, transparent background. And then we're going to select just the page that we want to download. Done, download it. And then once you've downloaded that image, you want to re-upload it to Canva. I've already done this, so I'll just grab it from my list here, and you'll want to go back to your first image. So click on the image that you've just downloaded, the transparent PNG, and you'll notice here it's in the image. And then you want to resize this to the same size as your YouTube thumbnail template. And this should completely cover the image that's behind it, like perfectly. There we go. Now from here, we can do a number of things. If we click edit image, we can increase the brightness slightly. This is what I like to do. I like to add a little bit of contrast, a little bit of saturation. You can click see all, and you can have a play around with this and see what suits you. A nice vignette as well, also like around the thumbnail, focuses people's attention on the subject if your thumbnail is something like this. So have a play around with it, get as creative as you want. I quite like that. That's how you create an eye-popping thumbnail for YouTube with Canva. And there's many different things that we can do in Canva, especially when you've got the Pro version. I think I'm going to start doing some more tutorials on here of how I use Canva to enhance my own creativity when it comes to creating content online. So if you've got any questions about what tutorials you'd like to see, pop them in the comments below and I will make those videos happen. But hopefully this was useful, and go check out the free trial below of Canva Pro. Let me know how it goes.